If you're not a big fan of paneer, this recipe might change your mind. I am using minimal ingredients, very little effort, and the results are honestly amazing. The texture is so creamy and the flavor so smooth, and it gives you total restaurant vibes while still feeling like home food. Let's get into it. I am keeping the base very simple with onions, tomatoes, and cashews boiled and blended for a naturally creamy texture. Then marinate the paneer with thick yogurt and the basic spices. Then lightly pan fry the whole paneer. This one step keeps it soft and helps it absorb more flavor. Everything comes together in the same pan. No extra oil needed, just balanced spices and simple cooking. Save this recipe for your next paneer dinner. If you want more real everyday cooking like this, subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday.